YouTube? It's your boy Crypto Cuts coming with you guys with another banger YouTube haircut tutorial. You feel me? But the first thing you want to do when you get this hot taper started, especially when you're doing the fro, this is a disconnected fro. He doesn't, when it blended in, he gets braids. So this is a disconnect hot taper. So you would essentially almost kind of fade it just like you're doing like a wave cut essentially. But the first thing I did was lever open 1/2 inch, and I have my one guard, and I'm going up another 1/2 inch, leaving a little bit of that bulk up top because I'm gonna go with my 2 guard and go all the way up and cut the bulk down, and then I'm gonna fade back down. I'm gonna detail with my 1 guard, put my 0.5 guard on, take the middle line out, which is between the 1 guard and the lever open, and then I'm gonna go lever close and take out the bottom guideline. As you can see here, I'm using that comb so I don't cut into his length. This is, pushing that hair up. I can use duck clips, but sometimes I find that the duck clips still get in the way sometimes, and I'm not getting it to the desired length. So what I'll tend to do is use my comb and hold the hair up, especially when it's kind of like this length. It's just easier for me getting it to the one desired length. I'm able to comb everything down. And you see that I still kind of have a line up top between there. I'm gonna just detail those with the 1 guard and just play with my lever open and close. The higher I go into the fade, my lever is open, and then the lower I get into the shorter hairs, I'll close my lever. Tapers coming together, man. I still got some dark spots, but at the end of the video, you're gonna see that I kind of went back, I detailed it, and I got them real crispy, sharp, real blurry fade, And the same steps I use for the taper area, I use for the beard. Lever open, 1 guard. I might put my 0.5 guard on there just to detail a little bit, get in between the dark spots, and then my 0.5 lever closed. I've been going through a lot, man, and he just pulled up an old picture from 2022, 2 years ago. I'm sitting in my chair. It's been 2 years since he sat in my chair, and he just told me, we had to come back and get right, man. So we had a long conversation. What he needed was a barbershop talk. I'm telling you, we're therapists at the end of the day. We get a variety of people that come in and talk about their problems in the chair. So, you know what I'm saying? The barbershop is definitely a safe space, depending on what shop you are, what shop you're in, and just the atmosphere that you're in. It's definitely a safe space that, you know what I'm saying, men can come and talk. Same steps for the back taper I use for the taper. I'm just going to speed this part up. Lever open, 1 guard, 2.5, and then lever closed. And y'all can see like his back taper goes in different directions. So with that clipper, you kind of have to go in different directions with the taper and just get it to that desired length. Down the edge up with the 1 guard closed, just so I can create longevity with my lineup. I don't want to keep it a lot of hair on the sides, because in a day it'll already be curled up and it won't be looking as crispy as he had just got it. You know what I'm saying? A day previous. You know what I'm talking? You know what I'm saying? With the lineup, I'm just going to knock his front taper down with the 1 guard closed, and I'm only going to go over the dark spots because I can tell that his corners are very, very, they're not receding, I want to say, but they're very light. So we're going to just knock down the front where it's bulky at. I'm going to spray some hairspray on it, blow dry it, and then just line it up. And we are going to spray enhancements, but before I show y'all the look with the enhancements, it is definitely crispy. Y'all can see I'm just taking my trimmer, just going to one side, and then I'm just going to take it to the other side, just following a straight line across. You got to envision a straight line when you're doing these lineups. Sometimes people have a razor, and I'm just, making sure everything is nice and crispy. And man, look at that lineup. I know y'all see the lineup when it's laid back. That joint mad crispy. But this is the before. It's started looking crazy, man. And this is the after, man. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment. If you really like my content, hit that subscribe button. It's crypto, more content on the way. I'm out of here.